In the previous years, we have learned the importance of digitally enabled business. And in order to address that, we have a solution category we call digital machine demonstration. And what we do there is we offer software capabilities that will create an ultra-realistic simulation of your machine tools and processes that will enable your sales and marketing teams to do much more persuasive demonstrations. Those digital tools will also enable you to show your unique benefits of your machines without having to have the real machine available. And therefore, your sales and marketing teams can show very individually to your customers and your target groups the benefits of your equipment.